income in the USA in 2025 without getting trapped in debt. Narrator, welcome to Next Dollar. In this video, we're unlocking a full blueprint to help you build real, sustainable passive income in the USA. No debt, no scams. Just smart, practical strategies. Whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or a stay-at-home parent, this video is for you. So grab a notebook, stay with us till the end, and let's start building your next dollar. Section 1. What is passive income? Narrator, let's begin with the basics. What exactly is passive income? It's money that flows in without your constant effort. Unlike a regular job where you trade time for money, passive income works even while you sleep. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. Building passive income requires effort up front. It's not instant, it's not magic. And it's definitely not just sitting around doing nothing. So let's bust some common myths. Myth 1. It's fast money. False. It takes time. Myth 2. You need a lot of money to start. False. We'll show free and low-cost ways. Myth 3. It's risky, not if you follow the right strategies. In this video, we're giving you 5 major categories that can help you create passive income without loans, credit cards, or interest. Section 2. Real estate without buying property. Narrator, real estate sounds expensive, but here's how people are making thousands per month without even